Here are the 10 steps to perform the installation of the full-gauge TC900E power controller. 1. Prepare the panel or cabinet where the controller will be installed. Cut an opening of 71 by 29 mm with a tolerance of plus or minus half a millimeter. 2. Insert the controller into the cutout and secure it using the side clips. Ensure that the clips exert the proper pressure on the rubber gasket to prevent leaks. 3. Connect power to the controller based on the model. A. Use pins 9 and 10, neutral and line respectively, for the controller powered with 115 volts AC. Also, supply terminals 12 and 16 with the line cable, in this case, 115 volts. B. Use pins 9 and 11, neutral and line respectively, for the controller powered with 230 volts AC. Also, supply terminals 12 and 16 with the line cable, in this case, 230 volts. C. Use pins 9 and 10, for the controller powered with 12 volts AC or DC. Also, supply terminals 12 and 16 with the neutral cable from the 115 or 230 volt power, as applicable. D. Use pins 9 and 11, for the controller powered with 24 volts AC or DC. Also, supply terminals 12 and 16, with the neutral cable from the 115 or 230 volt power, as applicable. Four. Connect the cable from sensor S1, ambient temperature sensor, to terminals 1 and 2. Ensure this sensor is placed in the environment to be controlled. 5. Connect the cable from sensor S2, evaporator temperature sensor, to terminals 3 and 4. Secure the sensor to the evaporator with a metal clamp. 6. If using a digital input or a third sensor, connect it to terminals 5 and 6 according to the programmed function. 7. You can use terminals 7 and 8 to connect a switch. 8. Connect the load power cables to the respective outputs. A. Compressor. Use terminal 15 for the primary power, and take the other power directly from the supply, considering that the line should go directly to the compressor common. B. Defrost resistance. Use terminal 14 for the primary power, and take the other power directly from the supply, considering line and neutral, respectively. C. Fans. Use terminal 17 for the primary power, and take the other power directly from the supply, considering line and neutral. (9) Program the controller parameters according to the application requirements. 10. Power up the controller and verify its operation.